Meet Avi Loeb.
When an object as strange and massive as 3I/Atlas appears on the scene, you need a scientist who is not afraid to consider the impossible. Enter Avi Loeb, the former chair of Harvard University's Astronomy Department and the Frank B. Baird Jr. Professor of Science. Loeb is not a fringe theorist. He's one of the most prolific cosmologists of his generation, having authored or co-authored over 800 scientific papers. He became a household name for his bold stance on our first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, arguing in his 2021 book Extraterrestrial that the most logical explanation for its bizarre behavior was that it was an alien artifact. He has consistently criticized the scientific mainstream for what he calls a failure of imagination. To back up his words, in July 2021 he co-founded the Galileo project with entrepreneur Frank Loeb. This is a privately funded, systematic search for physical evidence of alien technology, aiming to get high-resolution data on objects like 3I/Atlas. With a 7-mile-wide object now in the mix, Loeb's provocative questions have become more urgent than ever. He forces us to ask. Are we so afraid of the answer that we refuse to even consider the possibility of an artificial origin?